that was?
Amsterdam, here we come.
As we are currently refueling.
What's up, you guys? We made it to our first travel destination of the semester. We are in, oh god, Amsterdam. I am so excited. This is somewhere that I've been saying that I wanted to go for the past 4 or 5 years. So the fact that I'm here is really exciting. It's about 12 noon on Thursday. So we have the rest of today, all Friday, all Saturday, and then we're leaving Sunday morning. So we certainly have a lot on our agenda for the next few days, but I have faith that we're gonna get most of it, if not all of it, done, and hopefully explore and find some new things as well. For the Anne Frank house, my suggestion that I got, and I will share to you guys, is that you have to book it really far in advance. I think we booked it 2 weeks ago and pretty much all the spots were filled. We're going today, and after that we scheduled a boat tour, canal tour for tonight, which I think is gonna be really nice to start to understand the area a little bit better. That being said, we're all getting dressed and just freshening up from the plane, and then we're heading out, and I'm so excited. Look at these nails. We have been walking and we're almost at the center of town, or at least near the Anne Frank Museum, where we're gonna get pancakes before we go in. But you guys have to go to the cheese museum here. They have like every single kind of cheese that you didn't even know existed. We're gonna go to the center of town and get more food.
I'm looking for blood, and they're giving me bone, and I wanted a map, and I got directions back home. I went looking for nights, and they're giving me bloom. I went looking for nights, and I was looking for you, and I wanted a race, and I got a parade, and they gave me a picture of the mess I'd make. I went looking for nights, they're giving me bloom. I went looking for nights, and I was looking for
just left the Anne Frank Museum. It was very moving and I'm very glad that we did it. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who's visiting. Now we are walking to more of central Amsterdam, right?
Yeah.
We have some time, so we're gonna go chill, get some food, and then we have a canal ride tonight. I'll see you there. This is a stunning walk to get there.
Giving me bloom. I went looking for nights, and I was looking for you. I went looking for bodies, and they're giving me thin. I was hoping to sail through, but they're making me swim. I went looking for nights, and they're giving me bloom. I went looking for nights, and I was looking for you.
Hey, it's day 2 in Amsterdam. We're watching Mean Girls as we're getting ready, of course. I'm really excited for today. We are going to Pluck Cafe, which we passed by yesterday, and a lot of you guys recommended it, and I'm really hungry. It's like brunch at this point. It's 11:30, so we're gonna walk there, probably get some sweaters and hats because it snowed last night and it's freezing. And then we're gonna chill, walk around a bit more, and then we're going to the Heineken Museum today, just so you guys know what's going on if I don't explain it throughout the day. Yeah, I'm wearing my funky pants today, which I'll show you, and then we're gonna head out. They're from Zara.
Got your finger on the trigger and that's okay. I have never been one to rob with the bullets in my hand. You've been looking for a reason to tear it all down, and I don't understand why. If it's all just the same, we could have watched you burn or live instead.
Good morning, it's day 3. It's our last day here, so we're gonna be packing a lot in. Markets, museums, not sure what else, but I will bring you guys along.
Museum, finally.
We've said it every possible way. Rich ski